How to help knock out athlete's foot. The fungus that causes athlete's foot commonly affects the feet. The symptoms of this condition can be bothersome, despite its rarity. Many cases of athlete's foot can be effectively treated with home remedies. There are some remedies that can readily be found at home, while others can be found in health food stores. Learn which home remedies are worth trying, and when you may need to call your doctor. 1. Hydrogen peroxide. As well as any surface bacteria that could cause an infection, hydrogen peroxide can kill fungus on the surface of the foot. The affected area should be treated with hydrogen peroxide directly. Especially if you have an open wound, be prepared for it to sting and bubble. As the infection subsides, repeat this twice every day. 2. Neem oil. As antifungal agents, both neem oil and neem leaf extract are excellent at treating athlete's foot. 2 to 3 times a day, apply neem oil, or extract, directly to the affected area and massage it into the skin. As well as treating toenail infections, this is beneficial. 3. Garlic. There are many topical treatments for athlete's foot that include garlic, but the smell may deter some people. Even one older study revealed that 79% of participants in that study had a complete recovery after just 7 days using a garlic derivative. Garlic can be used to treat athlete's foot by crushing 4 to 5 cloves. After smashing them, rub the affected area with them. 4. Rubbing alcohol. As with hydrogen peroxide, many families keep rubbing alcohol on hand to clean cuts. Rubbing alcohol can also disinfect the skin by killing off fungus found on the surface. For 30 minutes, soak your feet in rubbing alcohol and water in a foot bath created from 70% rubbing alcohol and 30% water. 5. Sea salt baths. Athlete's foot can cause a number of complications, which makes sea salt a good natural choice for treating it. You may actually be able to prevent athlete's foot from spreading. The paste is made by mixing sea salt and other natural remedies like vinegar. A cup of sea salt dissolved in warm water may be the best method to use for this treatment. Spend at least 20 minutes soaking your feet. After soaking your feet, dry them thoroughly. 6. Keep your feet dry and clean. Athlete's foot needs to be prevented. Athlete's feet are often prone to athlete's foot because fungus thrives in dark, moist environments. Make sure your feet are as dry and clean as possible if you have athlete's foot, or if you want to prevent it. Changing socks regularly is important. You should put on fresh socks as soon as you've finished exercising. Make sure your toes are dry. Public pools and gyms are not suitable for barefoot use. Ensure your shoes are well ventilated, which will reduce athlete's foot symptoms sooner. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.